All right, these are the north elevators at the Fisher Building in Detroit, Michigan. These look to be Otis Touch. Whoa. Nice call button. This is the freight car right there. And we have a whole bank over there. See, there's the annunciator. Give me this one. Look at that. Why they put the panel there. Okay, so we'll go to C. Yep, C's locked, so we'll go to 11. Oh, we're going out. We're at C. These are old Otis elevators. Let's go to 11. Here we are at 11. Okay, let's go to, I guess if C is open, we'll go to C. Oh yeah, it is, because there's a panel right here. There's the serial number. On this one away. See their arrows. Okay, let's see which one we're gonna get. There's 6 elevators here. So it looks like a couple of them don't serve as support. This right here I think probably calls this one. Oh, well, this one's here. See, this is the freight though. We'll do this in a separate video. But yeah, that call button right there calls the freight, so that'll be a separate video for you guys. Oh, we got the same one. Wow, that was strange. All right, well, we'll take this one. We'll see if we can switch elevators on 11. There's the original lantern. Question is, which one are we gonna get now? Maybe there is only one elevator running right now. Either way, we'll take whichever one we get down, and then that will be it for the video. Yeah, it's gonna be this one. Let's get another cab view. These are Adam's designer buttons, or head code W and signature, depending on when these were put in. Very nice overall. This is really a neat building. There it goes, and that will be it.